Right, well I had a couple of sets of these front Shockies and decided to have a go at refurbing them myself. The main issue with these is, you all know, the seals leak on the shafts, and the replacement ones aren't all that difficult to fit. The main issue is getting the little dust cap washers, I suppose you could call them, out of that hole there. What I did, I just ran a Stanley knife around the edge to pare away the bit that was peened over, and without destroying them too much, managed to get those two dust caps out. So it'll just be a matter now of pushing the two seals. They're the old seals there, and these are the replacement ones. Get my hand out of the way. Pushing them in, replacing the little dust cover washers, and with a punch I'll just put a few little pins into the edge of that to hold the dust cover in. This one here I've done, and seems to work quite well. There's nice resistance all the way through the stroke. The seals aren't leaking. The other issue that you do have a little bit with these is the shafts. Now you can get a little bit of wear in the shaft. You can see, get that in focus. You can see there's a little bit of wear on that shaft. It looks a lot worse than it is actually in the camera. Now I'm hoping that these new seals might seat in slightly a different spot, so that it's not going to be a big issue. This one here, when I pulled it apart, it had been rebushed and seals put in it, and the seals that were put in that one were about twice the depth of those. Now I thought I'd struck it lucky there, so I cleaned it all up, put it back together, and put some new oil in it. But one side there was a little weep on one side of it, so I'll have to pull that apart, and maybe to get the right depth of the seal I might have to double these up and see how it goes anyway. This one over here was one I've already put the seals in. If you can see that there or not, they're in there. Pinned that over. That body's not too bad. There is a little bit of corrosion inside in the piston bores, so I'm not going to use that one, but it is suitable for re-sleeving, and might get that done later on, and get that one done with it. And not that there's any corrosion in that one, but I'll have a spare set of those, because we just don't know how long, with that worn shaft, how long those seals will last. Time will tell. But anyway, there you go. These little seals here, wherever they've gone, I got those down at a local seal shop. Just gave them the measurements, and presto, out he came with those. and well, pretty cheap, $5 or $6 each or something. I've got 2 sets. So hopefully we'll have a good result, and there you have it.